Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock any app on your Android phone. So first of all, let's just say that somebody has my phone and they've got access to it and they want to just, enter Instagram. As you can see, they can enter Instagram with no limitations. So if I want to lock an individual app, there is a way that you can do it on Android. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to the Play Store. Then we need to search for App Lock. What we need to do then is we need to go ahead and download and install this app right here. Once this is installed, we can then click on the open. And then once we have opened this app right here, we now need to choose a pattern to unlock our apps. So I will just do a generic Z right here. Once I have done this, you can then click on allow and then go ahead, put in your pattern, click on agree and start. And what you need to do now is you need to grant permission. So click on permit, go ahead, allow that. And then we need to go back and then click on permit, go ahead and allow. And then what you can do now is, let's just say we want to search for Instagram, for example. Go ahead, make sure the lock icon is green. And then what you can do now is, if we go all the way back, as we can see, if we now click on our Instagram app, what that will allow us to do is it will allow us to secure our Instagram. And you will need to go ahead and input this, password every time you go to open the app. So that's how you can go ahead and secure and lock a app, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.